We'll guide you through how to make triangle blur After Effects. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial to learn how to create triangle-shaped blur effects in Adobe After Effects for creative and modern visual styles. It helps them highlight specific areas, add abstract focus effects, and improve motion graphics design. This technique is useful in music videos, social media edits, and animations because it makes visuals more unique, artistic, and visually engaging. First, open Adobe After Effects on your computer and wait for the program to load completely. After the workspace appears, create a new composition to begin your project. Set the composition settings you need, then confirm to open the timeline. Next, import your image or video into the project panel and add it to the timeline, so it becomes your main layer. After that, create a new adjustment layer from the layer menu and place it above the clip in the timeline. Apply the Gaussian blur effect to the adjustment layer and increase the blur amount until the effect becomes clearly visible. Then select the pen tool and draw a triangle mask directly on the adjustment layer by creating 3 connected points. Once the triangle mask is completed, the blur effect will appear only inside the triangular area while the rest of the image or video remains sharp. Press F on the keyboard to open the mask feather property and increase the feather amount to create smoother and softer blur edges. Adjust the feather until the transition between blurred and non-blurred areas looks natural. If needed, move or resize the triangle mask to position the blur exactly where you want it in the composition. You can also animate the triangle mask by enabling mask path keyframes so the blur changes position or shape over time for more dynamic visual effects. Continue refining the blur intensity, mask placement, and animation timing until the effect looks smooth and visually balanced. Once everything is complete, preview the result by playing the timeline from the beginning and check that the triangle blur appears correctly and blends naturally with the footage. Make any final adjustments if needed to improve quality or motion. Finally, add the composition to the render queue and click Render to export the final video.